Yes.
Yes, we go, yeah. Buenas. ¿Qué tal? ¿Todo bien?
Muy bien, muy bien.
Buenas, Javi. ¿Y qué?
Vale,
So they are repairing the bike.
Para Marco, va.
Cuídamelas,
Tocará cuidártelas, tío.
No hay presión tampoco.
No, toca divertirse, pero impone. Al final, hostia, para mí, claro, yo te veía siempre de casa, tenía 13 años, ¿sabes? Y era como, ¡buah! Entonces, bueno, bien, excitado, pero bueno, sin ganas de subir.
Ahí, espero que lo hagas bien.
Sí.
We speak later.
Yeah, okay.
Take care about
It's still assembly.
Yeah, I know.
Just try to understand this bike and so, well, let's say, to find out the way to enjoy this bike.
It's a target, for sure. I try.
Yeah?
I
No?
try. Superbike is for men, this is for Superman. Buenas. ¿Todo bien? ¿Tú?
Ready?
¿Ready?
Ready?
¿Listos?
Yes.
A ver qué tal.
So, thank you for accepting the challenge, which is not easy. It was last minute because we knew last minute from the doctors, so that's why I called Diego in the limit on the night. I know it's not, let's say, the perfect way to, but it was unfortunately like this.
Thanks to you for bring me this opportunity. I mean, for me, like a dream to be here because I explained like with 13 years I'm at home watching Marc winning.
It's not a dream anymore, it's a reality.
Yes. Yeah. It's different because in Superbike we have the paddock show.
Yeah.
I'm talking with the guys, with all the people, and here I understand that it's difficult. So when you have this opportunity, like oh that's crazy, honestly. But I love it because we can feel all the support that the people give us. So yeah, that's amazing, the feeling. That's amazing.
You're strong.
Good luck. See you later. Thank you. See you, Harry.
The excitement of the Grand Prix, being in Spain, gives you an extra motivation, but try to be a little bit under this extra motivation.
Yeah.
Try to control it, because I mean, it's better to go a little bit from
Under
because when you race in Spain and with all the people, you know the track, and sometimes you are overriding, and of course, this is just talking. It's very easy to say, of course you will try, but try to find a balance in case it's done.
Yes. I try for sure. Okay, thank you.
¿Vale? Como haremos ahora, en el FP3 en la segunda salida haremos una aquí en el frente.
Sí, y luego en la cual es
Luego
una allí.
cuando acabe la quali, una en la...
Una y ya. Vale, perfecto. Sí.
salvado dos.
Bien, tío.